Hi, Dr. Calarco here with Accident Treatment Centers. There are three things that you really need to keep in mind if you've been involved in an auto accident. Number one, those low velocity impacts, those minor fender benders, do not just write those off. Many times we see patients with underlying issues, underlying injuries, pathology due to those low velocity accidents. You have to understand that when you're in a car accident, the forces from the car, from the accident, are actually transmitted from those vehicles into your body, into your spinal column. Don't write those low impact injuries off. You need to get treated, get checked out right away to prevent injuries from progressing and maybe having to be addressed further down the line when they're going to be more difficult to address. The second thing is pain. Do not use pain as an indicator. There are so many times that we see patients immediately after an accident that aren't in pain, and then in the hours and the days to come, they are in a tremendous amount of pain. They didn't get checked out. They didn't get the medications, the treatment they need to help moderate those pain levels. It's going to be extremely important not to use pain as an indicator after an accident. And then the third thing to keep in mind is if your accident injuries were not documented, they didn't happen, okay? So if you have an attorney representing you and your case for the accident, whether you're trying to go after the person at fault who maybe hit you and caused that accident to get treatment, if you don't get checked out right away, if it's not in that medical record, you may have a hard time actually getting the treatment covered that you need to address the injuries from that accident. So please keep those three things in mind, extremely important. Those low velocity fender benders may cause serious issues if not addressed right away. Never use pain as an indicator. It's a very poor indicator of the actual injuries that you have after an auto accident. And then third, if it is not documented in that medical record, that injury cannot be proved that it came from the auto accident. So we hope you found this information helpful. AccidentTreatmentCenters.com. My name is Dr. Calarco.